ABC animal sounds. Sing along and make the sounds. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, growl, growl, growl. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof, woof. These are the ABC animal sounds. Fun to sing and play around. E is for elephant, trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. F is for frog, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. G is for giraffe, munch, munch, munch. H is for horse, neigh, neigh, neigh. These are the ABC animal sounds. Sing them loud, let's astound. I is for iguana, hiss, hiss, hiss. J is for jellyfish, float, float, float. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, roar, roar, roar. These are the ABC animal sounds. Join the fun and make some rounds. M is for mongoose, ah, ah, ah. N is for narwhal, splash, splash, splash. O is for owl, hoot, hoot, hoot. P is for penguin, honk, honk, honk. These are the ABC animal sounds. Animals all around. Q is for quail, chirp, chirp, chirp. R is for rabbit, purr, purr, purr. S is for snake, hiss, hiss, hiss. T is for tiger, growl, growl, growl. These are the ABC animal sounds. Every letter is profound. U is for umbrella bird, tweet, tweet, tweet. V is for vulture, glide, glide, glide. W is for whale, sing, sing, sing. X is for x-ray, glub, glub, glub. Y is for yak, grunt, grunt, grunt. Z is for zebra, whinny, whinny, whinny. Now you know your animal sounds. Let's sing and play all around. These are the ABC animal sounds.